Don't check it out. I'm telling you, don't record me. Don't record me. Don't record me. Don't. Record company.
People's lives are at
अडशेल तालिगांव वाठारांत मोठो पावस पडिल्ल्या कारणान पावसाच्या उदका वांगडा मोठ्या प्रमाणात चिखल लोकांच्या घरांनी व्हांवन पावलो. कन्स्ट्रक्शनाच्या कामाक लागून मोठ्या प्रमाणात दोंगरार माती उडयल्ली आसा आनी पावसा पयलीं ती क्लियर करपाक सांगून लेगीत क्लियर केली ना. हाचोच परिणाम म्हूण आमच्या घरांनी हो चिखल व्हांवन आयलो असो दावो लोकांनी केला. याच दरम्यान आमदार जेनिफर मोन्सेरात आनी आप नेता सिसिल रॉड्रिगीज तशेंच फ्रांसिस कोएलो हांच्या मदीं वादाक वाचा फुटली. दरम्यान ही नैसर्गिक घटना नसून ह्युमन नेग्लिजन्साचो परिणाम आसा असो आरोप आप नेतान केला. याच संबंधान आप नेता आनी हेरांनी मेळून स्थायीक आमदार तशेंच हेरां विरोधांत पुलिसांत कागाळ नोंद केल्या.
आमच्या घरान आतां उदक येयलें तर आमी कितें करपाचें आतां खंय न्हिदपाचें तांकां आमी सांगोन येयली टायम पयलीं म्हयनो पयलीं सांगलेलें तांकां 15 दीस सुद्दां सांगोन येयली तांकां आमी तुमी अशें माती काडला ती माती खंय घालताले तुमी परत काडून सांगताले थंयच काडून व्हरताले आनी पावस येयलो जाल्यार आमच्या घरान उदक येतलें माती सकयल देंवतलें म्हणून सांगोन येयल्लें तांकां तिणी काडूंक ना ती माती देंवन येयलीच पळय सकयल. आनी कितें सांगपाचें तांकां
तुमच्या खंय खंय पावले घरांनी भितर
हे पळय आतां गेले आतां वयर गेला नुस्तें ते वयली माती देंवन ती सकयल
सगळो चिखल येयलो वयलो.
सगळें देंवलो सकयल न्हू.
ओके आता तुम्ही खंय रावतली आता खंय वयतली?
सगळे रात सांजे पावस येयल्यार कितें करतली आमी भुरगीं धाकटी
माझ्या भावाचो चेडो आहा धाकटो तेंकां आमी घेवन खंय रावतली बायच्यान रातची कितें जाल्यार आमी खंय रावतली सगळें हय ते आतां पावस ऑलरेडी जालोलो आसा रातचो पावस येयलो जाल्यार आमी रावतली खंय आतां
पावस बाबा थांबत ना एक चालूच आहा बारीक जावन मोठो एक आहा चालूच आहा
4 लागलेलो पावस येवपाक.
Today we have come to the police station to officially register a complaint against Jennifer Montserrat, that is MLA of Taligaon constituency. Also she is the chairperson of NGPDA. Secondly is Sydney Barreto, who is also the punch member, not the official punch member of Odshell village where the issue has happened. Then thirdly is against where the project is happening and due to which a landslide has happened in spite of the people being, the local people informing the contractors that Baba tumhi mati kaadla, all that mud will come into the homes. Then सांगला पासून ऑरेंज अलर्ट हा पावस पडटलो माती येतली सकला आमच्या घरान आणि इट्स अ डेंजर टू लायफ. तेणेन काय आयकूंक ना तेंचे आणि काल फर्स्ट पावस जो येयला फर्स्ट पावस सगळी माती वयल्यान सावन सकल्यार येवन तेंचे घरान येवन आनी इट वॉज अ डिझास्टर. सगळी माती तेंचे पात्र्यान पासून बोरोन सारके कितले लोक थिंगा निसरोन पासून पडले जाणटी आहा थिंगा भुरगीं आहा थिंगा. Are the elected representatives they are bothered and concerned about the village? This is not the first hill cutting or land filling that's happening in Taligaon. It's been happening continuously, and I have mentioned that Taligaon is a ticking time bomb before people's lives are lost, before houses are damaged, and I have been bringing to this notice. Today, I feel very sorry for the people of Odshell village. They are at the suffering end. They are very poor people and they need always help of the elected representatives, especially our panchayat. But what has the panchayat done? Panchayat has not come and acted on. Yesterday at 5:30 in the evening, we get a call from 2 villagers saying, "Ma'am, please येयात तुम्ही बेगीन कित्याक आमच्या घरान उदीक भरला." आयज कितें जालें लँडस्लायड जालें म्हणून सांगलें. आयज तुमी सगळ्यांक इन्फॉर्म केलें. मॅम आमी कॉल करून सांगला पण कोण अजून पासून येवंक ना. आयज गिव मी 30 minutes वी विल कम. फ्रांसिस, मायसेल्फ, रुई अँड निक्सन 4 जाण आमी डायरेक्टली काम सोडून आमी वी वेंट टू ऑडशेल विलेज. थिंगा पळयल्यार 3 houses आर बॅडली अफेक्टेड. माती सगळी सकला. आयज ही माती खुंयच्यान येता आनी व्हडले व्हडले फातर पासून बिकॉज ऑफ द बनाना ट्रीज the houses got protected. All the stones, big stones have got stopped over there. If the stones had to come out, the houses would have damaged. So तेणेन सांगला की वयर कन्स्ट्रक्शन चलता म्हणून आणि ती सगळी वयर माती सकला येता म्हणून. I said चल या आमी पळोवया आमी. 15 villagers into the place and to our, I mean we didn't even know what was happening there, to see almost an 8-story height land digging that has happened, hill cutting that has happened आणि सगळी जी माती हा काढून उडयली बाहेर. They have not bothered that there's a village over there. एक धाकटी कशी डॅम कशी बांधल्या थिंगा धाकटीशी आता ते पावसान उदकान सगळे वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट केरला डिझास्टर इन द मेकिंग हे सारखे करिना जाल्यार आनी जेन्ना वेन वी आस्क द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स कितें म्हणटा आमकां सगळे परमिशन्स आहा म्हणून तो रोनिका तेंचोच मनीस तो आता गेल्यार तो सदन त्यांच्या वांगडारूच आहा यू विल सी हाव दे आर डुईंग दीस अगेन एंड अगेन फॉर द बिल्डर्स फॉर द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स वे मनी इज इनवॉल्व तांकां तालिगांवचे पडोंकूच ना तांकां लोकांचे पडोंकूच ना आनी जे गरीब लोक आहा तांकां अर्निंग पासून चिडोन करता सगळे लोक भिवन आहा बट येस्टरडे आय फील व्हेरी प्राउड कित्याक लोकांनी उलयले बिकॉज देयर लायफ्स आर एट डेंजर म्हणून अँड टुडे वेन वी वेंट देर Jennifer Monserrat came at 8:50 p.m. We reached at 6 o'clock. 8:50 p.m. she came at Sydney, and this all issue happened after that. So tell me one thing: isn't that not our right to document everything? Is it not our right to see what is happening? I would have appreciated Jennifer if she was taking action, and I would have said, Jennifer, good job that you're doing. You've come and you're taking care. You're going to clean everything. But what did she do? She made Sydney like a bouncer and attacked the youth. This is how our elected representatives should behave. Dadagiri, Gundagiri, I want to tell Jennifer Monserrat, I am not scared of you. I have been voicing up. All that you have done in the 15 years of being elected as an elected representative is create damage to Taligaon village. Today Taligaon village is in a disaster because of you and your husband being elected representative. Whether it's your son being the mayor where another land filling is happening over there where show cause notice has come because I have officially made the complaint. Again, you see all the fields that are there are getting flooded. Today farmers can't do any of the work. Smoke, there's fire in the field. Smoke is reaching houses. Where is the MLA? Is she being seen? Is she going and visiting people when this type of disasters happen? Is she concerned about the village? This is our elected representative. So this is my official complaint, and also we all know that Jennifer Monserrat has records in the police station because she was caught in the police station where stoning act. So this is not the first complaint against her. This is Gundagiri and Dadagiri, and we will not tolerate this. We do not want elected representatives like this. BJP, MLAs, this is what you all want? Gundagiri, Dadagiri? They are still alive. That's why we all from Aam Aadmi Party are here today saying that we do not want Dadagiri and Gundagiri in our villages. And we will stand and fight tooth and nail and make sure that our villagers are protected till the end.
You have filed a complaint of assault?
Yes.
Assault and abuse language?
Yes. She fired bad words straight at me, and this is something that we need to look into. Today, citizens like us, hands are raised up and pushed and fired bad words. That if we are being attacked, what will happen to the common citizens? How scared are they? So Army Vienna, and we will take legal action if need be and make sure all of them who are involved in the land filling, destruction as well as this.